Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable the turn screen off when idle in your Shelly Wall Display X2. This option is very useful, especially when you want to save the power in your home and you want to turn off this screen. I know this screen is not using that much power, but it is what it is. At first we need to tap this gear icon and here tap on the screen. The second option, which is here, is turn off screen when idle. You can enable that or disable that. If you enable that, you can see on when dark. If you enable that again, you can use that when this screen detects when it's dark outside. I mean inside. Yeah, you know what I mean. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.